Let's make these fluffy blueberry oatmeal pancakes together real quick. Welcome back to another pancake video. They're my favorites to film and shoot, and this recipe is super easy. The batter comes together in the blender, and the best part is that you are using regular old-fashioned oats. I'm gonna leave the ingredients below the video, but I'm gonna show you all my tips and tricks on how to make these irresistible blueberry pancakes at home. I'm first gonna add all my ingredients to the blender, starting with the wet ingredients. So I'm using milk. Use any kind of milk that you like. Dairy, dairy-free, doesn't matter. Eggs. Eggs are essential in pancake recipes. So let's add them to the blender. I'm also adding melted butter, a little bit, to the batter. And then a little bit of sugar to sweeten up the batter, baking powder, some salt, and of course, our oats. As you can see, I put all the ingredients in the blender, and the blender's doing its job by blending in those oats and putting them into a batter, so there's no need to go get any kind of flour. You wanna blend the oats until the batter looks nice and thick, just like this. Now I'm gonna pour it into this bowl because I'm going to add our blueberries. We don't wanna blend in the blueberries, we wanna fold them in. Now you can use fresh or frozen blueberries for this recipe. And I'm gonna gently fold them into my batter. If you're using fresh, obviously your batter does not turn purple, but I think it looks really pretty. Now I'm making this whole batch on my griddle so I can show you what they look like, but you can also make these in a pan. First things first, you wanna preheat your griddle or your pan, and once it's hot, you're gonna take some butter and grease it, or you can also use oil or spray. And immediately I am going to scoop about 1/4 of a cup of pancake batter into the griddle. You know they're ready to be flipped when the edges look defined, you see a few bubbles forming, and then start from the first ones you poured and flip them all the way to the end. They're gonna cook for another minute or two on the second side, and then you're gonna remove them from the pan onto a plate, finish off the batch, and they're ready to get served. Let's just add some syrup over the top and take a bite. Fluffy, they taste like blueberry oatmeal, so delicious. Grab the ingredients right below this video, and if pancakes are your thing, I've got an entire playlist for you. See you next time.